Hi guys, Mike from Urban Auto, Oakville, Ontario, Canada. Today we're going to do a little brief video about the importance of cabin filters. I'm sure a lot of you watching this video are intrigued by every time you go into a quick lube shop perhaps, or a garage, they're talking about changing out your cabin filter. The cabin filter is what filters the air that comes into your cabin. So basically it's just like your furnace filter at home. It takes out any dirt and pollen out of the outside air, bringing it into the vehicle. And just like your furnace filter, when it gets plugged up or blocked up with debris, you have restricted flow within the vehicle through the vents, as well as you run the risk of burning out the fan motor, which in some cases can be very, very expensive on some vehicles because it's overworking trying to basically suck air through a straw. An example of a clean filter. This is a nice clean filter, as you can see. White, no dirt, brand new, exciting. An example of a bad one. That's nasty. So sometimes when garages tell you you need a cabin filter, we're not joking.